So you're going to the World Cup, you're really excited, but you don't know what to pack. Here's a few things to keep in mind before packing up your suitcase and heading to the airport. Since the weather is unpredictable, you definitely need to bring a jacket. The weather changes throughout the day, so at night when the temperature drops, you need a jacket to keep warm. Packing layers is very important, so bringing a sweater is a must. You might get chilly on the airplane, or when it gets a bit cold outside, you have something to keep you warm. Bring a variation of different tops that you can mix and match with your bottoms. If you are going to be staying in Russia for a longer period of time, you want to make sure you have different types of options for your outfits. As for bottoms, it's totally up to you. If you prefer wearing jeans or leggings or shorts, whatever you feel comfortable in, make sure you bring a couple options so you have enough to last you however long you're staying. Pack comfortable shoes. I cannot stress that enough because you will be walking a lot, so make sure your feet are comfortable because there's a lot of walking. Before heading out to the airport, don't forget to bring your fan ID, which also acts as a visa to enter the country, and also you will need it for the stadiums for any games that you will be attending. Most importantly, don't forget your tickets. You will need that to enter any stadium, and it would suck if you forget them at home. Don't forget to bring any jerseys or flags or anything that you want to be representing the country that you'll be supporting during the World Cup. Bring a camera so you can capture all the moments and all the sights that you'll be seeing during your stay in Russia. Depending where you're coming from, you definitely need to get an adapter or a converter for any electronics you want to charge. Don't forget to bring a portable charger so your phone doesn't die throughout the day. Zip up your suitcase, head to the airport, and have a ton of fun in Russia. Bye guys!